Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Doctor plays on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Eriwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá ya kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá ya kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsèmọ̀lú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ o. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní wà ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká sí.
In today's video, I want to explain how to use Sodom apple. Sodom apple. We call it a sobombom in Yoruba language, also known as Sodom apple. How to use it, and broom. How to use it to fight your physical and spiritual enemy. If you believe that you have enemies, you understand, and maybe all these enemies, they are disturbing you physically or spiritually, and you want God to punish them without you fighting them. I think you understand what I'm saying. You want God to punish them without fighting them physically. You need this Sodom apple. You need one. And broom. Are you with me? And this broom I'm talking about is the broom that you have been using. It's not a new broom. If you want to use this broom, you must have been using it maybe for 2 months or 3 months. The one you need from the broom is the small, this one, all the small one, this one like this. You are going to cut it. Just make sure that the one you cut, you know the one you cut. You understand? So you need 201 pieces of this broom. You understand what I'm saying? So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babewenje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to quickly share with you how to use Sodom apple and the mouth of broom, local broom, to fight your enemy physically and spiritually. You understand? By the grace of Almighty God, after you apply this simple instruction, anyone that's hiding somewhere, sending you attack, that person is going to regret it. By the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. So we all know the shape of Sodom apple. I don't have it here, right? But we all know the shape of Sodom apple. And you need a local broom. Local broom. You can get it as much as you can. You know what you want to use it for. Because I don't think when you cut all the mouth of this one, when you count it, it's going to be 201. So you can get like 2 brooms, you understand? So you are going to cut the mouth of this broom, cut it, and you are going to count it. We need 201 pieces, you understand? So this broom, the Sodom apple, you are going to inject this broom. You inject every part of the Sodom apple. You understand what I'm saying? I don't have Sodom apple here. This is not the season. You understand? This is not the season. So make sure that you inject every part of Sodom apple with the 201 mouth of broom. You inject it. When you inject it like this, take another one. Take another broom. You inject it. Make sure you inject every part of the Sodom apple. You understand? Then after that, you are going to burn it with 7 pieces of alligator pepper. 7 pieces of alligator pepper, burn it. When it is well burnt, you understand? You powder it. You are going to make incision all over your body. If you can do it yourself. If you can't do it yourself, you can call someone to do it for you. 3 mark every part of your body. 3 marks every part of your body. You understand? Every joint, 3 marks. So you apply the powder. You can share this powder. You can use it with your family, with your wife, with your husband, with your children. You understand? Believe me, if anyone tries to do something bad against you, bad thing is going to happen to that person by the grace of Almighty God. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye Tayemose Wenje. Ẹ̀rí lórí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ nǹkan tí agbẹ́dá níta mọ̀ sí amọ́sọ̀ nípa àṣírí ewé àti egbò. Ọlọ́ba fi agbára sí ewé àti egbò nígbà tí a bá ń lò sí ọ̀nà tó tọ́ tá a fi bà tèèyàn jẹ́. Ìta máa fún wa ní òní ni à ń pè ní Aseta, tí ọ̀tá máa fi ń kàn àgbákò lára ẹni tó bá lórúṣẹ́. Gbogbo ọ̀tá tó bá ní àwọn fi ara pamọ́ síbì kan máa ta fà burúkú síyàn, ara wọn ni wọ́n máa ta lọ́fà, ọ̀fọ̀ sì ní ràn agbára Ọlọ́run. Oníràn mi tọmọtọmọ tayátayá, tẹbítẹbí taratara, àti gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ní àǹfààní tẹ́ ń wò mí ní òní, ẹ bá mi ṣe àmì ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá èso bomubomu ẹyọ kan. Ògórí ìgbálẹ̀ yẹn a máa gé ògórí ẹ̀ nígbà 201. Èyí tá bá ti gé àtúnigé mọ́ o, a lọ wá gbálẹ̀ mi ni. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá gé ìgbálẹ̀ kan sìn àtúnwá tó lọ tún gé padà kó fi pé 201 lò. A lè wá bí ìgbálẹ̀ méjì ká máa gé ògórí ẹ̀jọ ká wá sà. Gbogbo ìgbàkígbà tó bá ti pé náà ni, kì í ṣe dandan kó pé lọ́jọ́ kan náà. Tá bá ti kà tó bá ti pé 201, ẹ wọ́n jẹ́ ká fi gún gbogbo ara èso bomubomu yìí kó gún gbogbo ara yìí ká. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi sínú apẹ ká wá jó pẹ̀lú ẹyọ àtàrí méje. Tá bá ti jó tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ kúnná. Gbẹ́rẹ́ mẹ́ta sí gbogbo oríkèéríkèé ara ni. Aseta tó burú ni. Ọ̀tọ̀ ò ní rí wa gbèsè lágbára Ọlọ́run. Nílẹ̀ lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi ló jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n